In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and use Utorrent on your PC or laptop for free. We'll be using the official method to make sure everything is safe and secure. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open any browser on your computer and type in Utorrent download in the search bar. You'll see several websites listed, but make sure to click on the official Utorrent website. This is important to avoid fake or harmful downloads. Step 2. Once the official site opens, scroll down until you see two options: Utorrent Classic Pro, Utorrent Classic Free. Click on the Free Download button under Utorrent Classic. Your download will begin, and you can choose the location on your PC where you want to save the setup file. Step 3. After the download is complete, open the setup file. The installation window will appear. Click Next to continue. You'll then be shown the license agreement. Click I agree if you're okay with the terms. Next, you'll be asked to choose from a few installation options. You'll see 3 options. It's recommended to check all of them, then click Next. You'll also see some additional settings and file associations. Click Next again, and the installation will begin. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, Utorrent Classic will launch automatically.
If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel.
And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Utorrent on your PC or laptop, completely free and through the official method.